Thanks, Dave. Well, after a weekend's wait, a judge has decided former GRPD officer Christopher Schur will face a jury trial. Schur is charged with second-degree murder in the death of Patrick Lyoya, who he pulled over on April 4th.
During last week's preliminary hearing, a 61st District Court judge heard 8 witnesses testify about Patrick's death, 3 from the defense and 5 from the prosecution. The preliminary exam is where a judge determines if there is probable cause that a crime was committed and that the defendant committed it. Well, now it will be up to a jury to determine whether or not Schur was justified in the shooting. And experts say seating a jury in this case could pose some unique challenges.
13 on your sides, Trevier Gonzalez joins us live this morning from the Kent County Courthouse. Trevier, how soon could we see this jury trial get underway?
Emily, good morning. That was a question that was posed, and the Kent County prosecutor, Chris Becker, says that a trial likely won't start until next year. Now, during that, the Christopher Schur's defense attorney says that they plan to appeal that particular decision made by that judge to send this particular case to trial. Now, on Monday, a Kent County judge ruled there is enough probable cause to justify the second-degree murder charge against Christopher Schur. That, of course, is connected to the April killing of Patrick Lyoya that ultimately led to the Grand Rapids Police Department firing Schur. Law professor Louis Langham says he expects to see many more witnesses than those 8 we saw during the preliminary hearing.
Both sides are going to put forth, obviously, their best cases for both sides, and it's going to be a trial that's going to last a while.
Langham says he expects the next several months to be filled with motions and appeals. Now, as far as that next court date, no official dates have been set.
Now, Trevier, there are so many people who are aware of this case. Is there a possibility that that might impact jury selection?
Langham said it would be nearly impossible to find a particular jury where they aren't familiar with this case. Instead, he says that the court will be focusing on finding those jurors who are able to demonstrate that they are able to, hear to the facts of the case and listen to that evidence and those witness testimonies that will be coming through, and listening to all that before an actual decision is made.
And of course, we'll be following all of this very closely. Trevier, thank you so much. Well, after the judge's decision yesterday, Patrick Lyoya's family shared through their interpreter that they were heartbroken by what the defense brought up about Patrick during testimony.
You can't justify the shooting because someone had a bridge card that didn't apply to them, or they had a traffic offense.
I was surprised, astonished, and to see how they're accusing the Totu portray my son like a real criminal, like really hurt my heart.
The Greater Grand Rapids branch of the NAACP joined the family in the courtroom, saying they support them and expressed the need for change.